Hey everyone, want to withdraw money from Esewa without KYC? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll guide you on how to withdraw money from Esewa without KYC through the step-by-step process to do it easily. So let's get started. First, open your Esewa app and check your wallet balance. Ensure you have enough funds available for withdrawal. Since direct withdrawal without KYC is restricted, you can use the merchant payment option. Find a trusted merchant or shop that accepts Esewa payments and provides cash in return. Another way is to transfer funds to a friend or an authorized agent who can withdraw cash for you. Enter their Esewa number, confirm the transfer, and collect cash from them. If you need to use your balance, consider recharging mobile numbers, paying utility bills, or purchasing services through Esewa instead of withdrawing cash. Still need cash? Contact Esewa support or visit a nearby authorized Esewa agent to check if alternative withdrawal methods are available for non-KYC users. And that's it. Now you know how to withdraw money from Esewa without KYC. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any questions in the comments below.